Hey guys, this is Mukshali and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So guys, in today's video I have created this look. You can carry this look for any event, or if you're going to office, or if you're a college going girl, then this is the great look guys. I carried this look whenever I step out of my house and I'm good to go. Just one thing, I don't wear the nude lipstick. I wear light pink or a light maroon shade, that's it. And yeah, you guys are good to go. Guys are sorted. Guys, this look is really very easy and it will be very helpful. So yes, without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, we'll start with the moisturizer and I'm feeling literally dry. My skin is very dry and we are going with the Face Shop Chia Seed Brightening Serum. It is a really nice moisturizer. I use this every day and it is very lightweight on the skin. It really hydrates the skin very well guys, and I'm just applying all over my face so it sets properly. So for the primer, we are going to use Pack Zero Pore Separation Cream. It is a gel based primer. It is really nice primer. It gives you a smooth canvas on your face for your perfect makeup application. Also it is silicone and paraben free, which is a great thing guys. You guys just need to pat the primer and just blend it into your skin. So guys, now we'll move with the concealer, and for the concealer I'm going to use NYX Conceal Correct and Contour palette. Basically guys, this is a nude makeup look, so we are just going to even out the skin, and I'm going to cover my dark circles, the under eye area basically. Also I'll be covering the nose area, end of the nose. Be also covering the corners of my lip area. Also I'll be covering some part of my face, which is my cheek area, my chin area, the temple. So I just even out the skin so it looks all natural and blended, and there won't be any blemishes on my skin as such. This palette is really very nice. You will get this from Nykaa. I guess this is the perfect dupe for MAC Conceal and Correct palette. It works really very well guys, and you will always get this on discount on Nykaa. So with the help of a beauty blender, I'm just blending on my under eye area and all over my face, basically to get a flawless finish, and whatever the excess product is there on my face, it will absorb. And guys, you just need to pat your beauty blender on your eyelid area. Basically we are not applying any concealer on the eyelid area, but we need to keep it very natural. But whatever the excess product is there on the beauty blender, we are just going to dab on the eyelid area so it looks very natural and even tone at the same time. And yes, just dab 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 and you will get the perfect finish. Yes, so now we'll move on with the foundation, and I'm going to use Pack Liquid HD foundation in the shade 3.0. Guys, it is a really nice foundation, and I'm just taking the product with the help of a brush. I'm just dotting the foundation with the help of a brush, and then afterwards I'm just patting in, so I'll be getting a smooth finish. Also, if you guys want to know what all brushes I use for my face, I have already made a video on that, so you guys can check the description and I will mention the link in the description also. And yes, I'm just blending the foundation really very well so it gives me very natural finish. Guys, this foundation is an high definition foundation, so it is perfect for the pictures also. And yeah, this foundation is very long lasting and it doesn't budge guys, so you guys can always check this foundation for your daily base, or if you are going for out for a party, then this is the go-to foundation. And yes, it gives me very natural flawless finish, and it is really very blendable at the same time. Also, I'm dabbing the same brush which I have applied for the foundation on my eyelid area also, so it gives me more natural and it gives me more even tone finish at the same time. So now guys, we'll move with the beauty blender. Guys, this beauty blender is really very nice. I don't know the name of the beauty blender, but this beauty blender is gifted by my sister. You guys can take any beauty blender. Guys, PAC Cosmetics beauty blender are really very well. YBP beauty blenders are really very well. So I'm just tapping it all over my face, on my lid area, the cheek area, so it gives me more subtle finish which I need for my nude makeup look. Just blending it everywhere, so if there is an excess product, the beauty blender will absorb that. Move ahead with the loose powder. Guys, I'm taking this Bharat and Toys loose powder in the number 07. It has some yellow tint to it, so it brightens up my under eyes at the same time. I'm just lightly baking my under eye so it sets in and there won't be any creases and such. So I'm lightly dusting the loose powder all over my face, my cheeks, my chin, my forehead and my temples. So it looks all set because I'm not going to use a setting powder. I just want to keep it very natural and nude. And yes guys, now we'll move with the brows, and I'm going to take this Milani brow pomade in the shade dark brown, and I'm lightly doing my brows because I'm going to keep it really very natural. So I'm just filling my brows. If there is any sparse area, it will get totally filled by it. Guys, it is really nice product, and I think it is same like Anastasia brow pomade. Also, it is really very nice. I'm taking this angular brush to fill my brow. Can go with any product for your brow. I'm going with the pomade. You guys can take the brow powder as well, whichever is comfortable for you. And I'll just do my another brow, and yes, I'm all set. Guys, I'm just lightly patting a finger on my brow, so if there is any product, it blends properly. And yes, we'll move ahead with the another eye, and now we are going to take a bronzer, and I'm taking this Hoola bronzer from Benefit, and I'm just taking a fluffy brush and I'm lightly putting the eyeshadow on my crease area so it looks very natural. Guys, this shade is really very light. This bronzer is really very light, so it gives me more natural and nude look at the same time. I'm just lightly blending the shadow on my eyes so it looks very natural and seamless. Also, I'll be doing on the another eye. You guys can see how natural this shadow looks. Guys, it is the perfect shadow for your go-to look if you're going for a party or if you're going for your office meeting or something, then this is the perfect shadow, guys. Also, I'll be taking this sugar blush in the shade 01 Peach Pig, which I every time use this. Guys, I'm just blending it lightly so it gives me more rosy and natural finish at the same time. As you guys can see, it is looking really very natural. Just lightly pat and you will get that perfect finish. Also, we'll be going with the mascara, and I'm going with my favorite. Yes, it is absolute favorite, which is a Lash Sensational mascara. It is my go-to mascara, guys, and you guys can see how it has opened up my lash. It is looking really very nice and very natural. I'm just going generous with the mascara because yes, mascara is my love, guys. Guys, always apply your mascara from starting and just going it very slant so it gives you more feathery kind of a look, and it will totally open up your lash. I'm going with my another lash line as well, and I'm just applying very properly so it gives me that thickness and it gives me very open and feathery look which I need. And then afterwards I'm just removing the loose powder which I have applied on my under eyes, and you guys can see how it has totally brightened up my under eyes, just flattening the brush all over my face. And guys, now we'll move ahead with the bronzing, and I'm just lightly bronzing up my nose so it will give a little bit sharper look. Also, I'm mixing both the blush and the bronzer for just warming up my face and giving me some blush effect. So I'm just taking both the things on a blush brush, and I'm just applying lightly and starting with the apples of my cheeks. I'm just applying very lightly. Guys, this is a nude look, so you don't want to go very peachy, very pinky. You just need to keep it very subtle and simple so it gives you more natural finish, and it don't seem like you have applied a blush on your face. So that is the thing, and I just don't want to keep this look very very matte, so I'm just applying a little bit of shiny blush, and it will give me less amount of shine, not that much highlighted glow, but yes, it looks really very nice. Also on nose as well. and you guys can see how my face is looking very natural. It has got some shine to it, and we are sorted. Also, I'm applying lighter to my brow bone. I'm just applying very lightly and I'm just blending it with my finger so it looks very natural. Also, I'm doing on my another brow as well. Guys, you have to keep this look very natural so it looks very beautiful. Also, we are going with the fixing spray, and I'm going with the Pack Cosmetic fixing spray. It is their micro finish spray. Guys, this fixing spray is really very nice. Guys, it sets your face and helps your makeup to stay long lasting all day long. And yes, now we'll move with the lips, and I'm going to use a lip liner which is from Miss Rose in the number 03. Guys, it is a really nice brown nude lip liner. I'm just applying all over my lips for that long lasting effect. So now we are going to use a lipstick, and for that I'm going to use this Sugar Cosmetics lipstick. I'll just leave the number in the description box below. Guys, it is a really nice brown nude lipstick, and it is a really great color. The pigmentation is also nice. It stays on your lipstick up to 2 to 3 hours. And yes, we are done with this look. I hope you guys like this look. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so you will always be notified when a new video comes. So guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.